Morning everyone, Angolf here. Well, I've had a good few months off now, and it's the middle of June, and it's time to make a start on the bunnies again. I've been watching them with my binoculars, all through the breeding season, and there's a few about. I've had a syndicate who come here and lamp this coastal fields now, so there's not as many as there should be, but there's still enough for me for the pot. So it's just got 5 o'clock in the morning, best time of the day as far as I'm concerned. I've got the HW97, and we're going to see if we can just pick up a couple of bunnies for a nice stew. So let's see how we go, eh? Well, there's that first one. I took him with a heart and lung shot because he was so close. But it was a nice clean kill. It's a little baby one, but just right for the stew pot. So that's one. I just saw a fox on the mound as I came down the field there, so he's probably scared the rest off, but we'll try some other fields. Beautiful morning. Best time of the day, like I said. I really like these early morning forays rather than the evening ones, because the coast path runs through this and you get a lot of dog walkers, so this time in the morning is probably the best time. There he is down there. He's out doing the same as me, stalking rabbits. I got the wind in my face, so see if we can catch up to him. He's spotted me. No, he hasn't. He's looking at something in the hedge. Problem is, he's scaring in all the rabbits because he's ahead of me. There he is, look. There's the fox. 20 yards away. There's that fox. He's only 20 yards away. Oh, you have to have a go with these magpies, don't you? Still no sign of the dog walkers yet. Must be, I don't know, 20 past 6 by now. Perhaps they're having a lie-in this morning. I'm not complaining. I love it when I get this to myself. Well, that's it for the morning. Just that one bunny. I'm surprised though, I didn't see very many this morning, and the ones I did I managed to miss, but it's all part of the game, isn't it? I'll be glad when my HW80 comes back. I'm more of an HW80 man. This 97 is great, but I find that the balance of the 80 is better for me. It's away at Cornwall Field Sports at the minute, having a tune up, so hopefully by the time I do the next video I'll have it back. But still, nice bunny for the pot. Got a nice korma sauce and a nice rabbit korma tonight, a bit of rice, lovely job. So thanks for watching everybody. Hopefully there'll be a few more videos now. That's if the weather improves. It's been nothing but rain for the last month. But yep, a few bunnies around, and we saw that fox, which is lovely. It's always nice to see Mr. Charlie in the morning. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and I'll see you soon. Cheers and gone.